In this video we will see how to log into the Windows app. The first way is to enter your credentials when installing the software. In the installation panel you need to choose the option I got a D1 account. Then enter the email address and password used to activate the license. Then just finish the installation and the software will offer the login panel directly on the activated cloud database. The second way is to log in from within the software if it was not done during the installation. You have to click on the button with the rocket icon at the bottom left. The software will ask us to enter email address and password. After confirming, the login was done. To recover the cloud database created, simply click on the database icon at the top left, choose the database, enter your credentials, and confirm. The database has been opened. For any information or concern, do not hesitate to contact us at info@neos4.com. Thank you for watching the video. We wish you a good work and we will refer you to the next video.